Hi, Bobo. Whoa, whoa, whoa. The first thing you do is go to attack me as soon as I start recording, isn't it? Huh, Bobo? Look at the camera. Okay, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Good boy. Okay. Now you, look at the camera. Stare right into the camera. There you go. What about you? Want to stare in the camera again? What do you want? What do you like? Oh, is this what you want? Was this like behind the camera or something? Is this what you wanted the whole time, Bobo? Oh no! Did you just hit your chin right here? You okay, Bobo? Yeah, you're okay. You're a good boy. Hey, you chill. Don't burp my hand like that. Okay, which one of you guys want this? Or should I just like throw it and not give it to any of you guys singular? Or should I give it to Bo? Or should I give it to you? Or should I give it to you? I'm bouncing it. No! Squishy! It's okay, Bobo. You don't need it. You got 2 pieces of ham. You got 2 extra pieces of ham because you stole his piece of ham. Oh gosh, hold up. If you got the right angle, that doesn't look too right. Rub it back with my foot. Rub it back with my foot. Bobo. Bobo. You gonna get it? You gonna get it, Bobo? You don't need it. You don't need the toy. You just need petting because you're like so handsome. He is just stupid. Yeah, that's what you get for never sharing. Yeah, that's what you get for never sharing. It goes under this. Oh, whatever the heck it is. Where is it? Right there. Move. Got it. Watch him follow the ball. The ball is the hornet's here. Okay, now fake. Whoa, you almost bit my hand off. Oh, he going quick. He quick. Mama, you quick. There you go. Ah. You're a good catcher, aren't you? Aren't you a good catcher? I need to give you like meat because like he stole yours and stuff. Okay, oh wait, I didn't take off the red thing. Okay, I took the red thing off. Whoa, chill, chill, chill. I can't just give it to you all at once because then you're gonna be all like, ooh. Or can I? There you go. Oh, that's all for today, folks. You better not eat that ball because if you eat that ball, then you're probably not gonna, feel well. Okay. Let's end it off on a good note. Smell. Bobo. No, I said Bobo, not you. Let's go. Come on, you wanna fight? I never called you over here. I never called you over here. Let's go. Okay. Okay, give me your hand. Give me your hand. Good boy. Give me your hand. Oh. Good boy. Okay, sit. Cool. Give me your hand. Give me your. You good. Give me your other hand. Good. This hand. Nice. Okay, sit. Cool. You're such a smart, stupid head. Okay, one more. This hand.